Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Take 2. Today in this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can make Viber stickers. So, first of all, I will be teaching you guys a very easy step. So just follow me guys, and if you have any queries, just let me know down in the comment section right away. So, firstly, what you need to do is just go to your Viber and go to chats and go with a random chat. Let me just go with my notes. Then over here, just go over here, and over here you'll be having the sticker, or let's say emoji icon. Just go over there, and from here just go to stickers, and then all the way down on your bottom right corner you'll be having plus icon. Just go over there, and then what you need to do is just choose the create stickers option and select the plus one and just doodle, or you can use anything. So let me just have a one like this. I'll choose this, and then let me doodle it with something like and save sticker, and that's how we do it. So that's pretty much guys, that's how we do it. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. So thank you for watching our video guys. If you like our video, please leave a like, and do not forget to subscribe our channel, and also hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. If you have any queries, just let me know in the comment section guys, and I'll see you guys again in our next video. Till then, stay safe guys. Thank you for watching.